we doing this week, Ryan?
We're going to do a passive lock. It's a proximity sensor, so the closer the key fob is to the truck, it unlocks the doors, has remote keyless start, has an alarm system, and...
Self-driving?
No, we're not there yet.
Oh,
Elon, I'm looking at you. However, it will have push button start.
Well, I'm excited about it. We'll see how it goes.
All right, guys, let's do it. So this is everything you get, guys. You get your siren, you get some hanky-panky, cool guy, extra relay, free gift. Yay, thank you. Wire harness, antennas so that these get picked up. These are your 2 key fobs. Your black box of death to record everything you do. Your other big bad black box of death to record everything. A nice little light. I think this is some sort of key switch sensor, like a brake sensor, so it tells it that it started. Wire. But what we all want to know is this here. What's that feller? Iron Man? This is that little thing. I am Iron Man. You gotta keep on the metal for my heart.
I wish that was wireless and you could just attach it to your chest, and that's how we would start our vehicle.
You have this guy, which, I mean, we all want to know.
Yeah, what is that, Ryan?
This is our alarm, so we're gonna see how loud it is. I did it the other... I might have to do the other battery.
Hey!
Yeah.
It's almost as loud as you! Is it loud enough?
I mean, it might be need a little bit of like maybe a larger cone to help that volume travel further, maybe.
All right, so I started to read the instructions on how to do this. Let me just read you all.
Oh no!
The very first line.
It's very clear. You can understand it if you speak the China language.
A skillful technician is highly recommended for installation.
Hey, buddy, what do you got going on under there? Seems like you're back in your favorite spot. How do you end up always...
There was more room.
Well, we could take the seat out, but someone bolted it down.
Well, we were kind of driving it around town, so I thought it might be important that... All right, so here's what I'm thinking we'll do. So I'm gonna take the main box here, and we need to get all these wires sorted out. I think we can get most of our stuff right here up underneath where our gas pedal is. So I think we'll start there, get that sorted out, and then we'll start plugging things into our module and sorting those things out. Well, I'm just gonna start cutting stuff.
Do it! What you got, Chuck?
So check this out, everybody. I got this new little tool.
Oh, it's a fancy one, isn't it?
It's a ratcheting crimper.
Oh.
And it actually, I think, does a much better crimp than my old one does.
Yeah,
it's a lot more positive. But I wanted to show off this. This was one of our fans sent this to us.
James Brown, looking at you, James.
We love that guy.
He's freaking awesome.
So check this out. It's filled. It's got what? Butane.
Yep.
Yeah. So you just hold it. Hear it fire up. It's hot. And then with these heat shrink ends. So it takes a second for it to kind of warm up, but there you go, see?
Oh yeah, that's fancy.
Okay.
Only the best for you, J Money.
So, which is pretty cool. So that's done. And then you hold it again a second time. Now it's in cool down mode. And then I set it off the side and it shuts off on its own.
That's a pretty cool tool.
Isn't that amazing? Thanks, James Brown.
Yes, thank you, James Brown, for always hooking us up with new and neat tools.
Love it.
Well, so you got to push the pedal to use a push button.
Correct. So there's my pedal.
Oh, look at that.
That's interesting, huh?
And that's never done that before.
All right.
Ready? And it's not blinking.
Not blinking at all.
It was blinking all the times before that. Okay.
All right.
Optimism. My optimism is now going up.
Going up, prove it, optimism, not blind.
Lock it.
All right. Okay.
And now hold that middle button for 3 seconds.
Can't tell if I'm holding it.
I know.
More than 3 seconds. There it is.
It tried.
It did. That was the starter, though.
All right. So shut it off and let's do it again.
All right.
Here we go, like.
Yep. Boom! It works! All right, Jason, as you slowly get up off of your knees because you're an old man. Oh, old man Wilson over here. Hey, Mr. Wilson! So what'd you do?
Is that Dennis?
Yeah, bro.
That's really quite appropriate.
Yeah. It's just to show you guys that when you put your foot on the pedal, it automatically lights up.
Oh, can't see it. There you go.
There you go.
Yeah.
Because our starter shot.
Hit it again. Do it right away or not?
Starter shot, so we'll fix that eventually before we sell it to somebody else and let them have to deal with it.
Yeah.
So what do you think of this system, honestly?
Well, I like the system a lot, and for $60, you can't go wrong with what we getting.
Right.
It is a lot of wires, and a lot of wires you got to figure out the right one. So I've only cut 2 of the wrong wires.
All day? Only 2. And that now that doesn't mean though we haven't found the brake or the locks yet. So there's
2.
still room for improvement.
That's true. Two out of, I don't know how many wires I've cut. 10 maybe, something like that. So we get these locks figured out and then we're set. We're done. We didn't have any trouble, really not a lot of trouble, getting the remote start, getting the button to work, getting the lights to all work. It's just getting these locks. And when you go to the instructions, here is the issue. These are all the different configurations. There's negative, positive, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different options.
So it's
how
like
to get the door locks to work. It really seems like everything with this little project has been about how to hotwire it and make it work.
Yes.
So eventually we went back to this one, which I've tried before, but we didn't have the wires right or something. Or I didn't.
Yeah.
So the positive circuit trigger,
That
figure
one.
number 9.
Lock. So if you hit that button, what did we do? Jason,
Anything.
what did you do?
I hate this. I hate demo time.
Lock it. Yeah, and now I'm gonna unlock it by using our little remote guy. So they still work.
Yeah.
So we're good to go. So one of the things that this system does have, it's called a proximity sensor. So when the remote is close to it, it unlocks. When you walk away, it auto locks.
All right, here, let's give it a shot.
Let's see if it works. All right. Definitely not unlocking.
Oh, another demo gone wrong.
What we wanted to show was the proximity sensor. Right now, I'm far enough away from the truck that it automatically locked. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna walk over there. If you watch, you'll see the lights blink.
Yeah. Walk by the front of the truck, would you, Ryan?
Right,
And we'll
yep.
right there.
Well, that's the... There, it unlocked. Now let's walk away. Should have already locked.
Right there.
There, now it's locked. Now, it's unlocked. So you never have to touch this. It has wireless signals that pick up your location, unlocks and locks based on your location.
That's pretty awesome.
Keys right here. This right here.
Look at
Push
that.
your foot on the brake.
Slicker than snot on a doorknob.
It's pretty slick.
I love it.
And that is that. It's called a wrap right there, my friends. Pretty amazing. I'm really excited about a $60 deal. Love it, love it, love it. Hey, if you guys have any advice for us or if you like this, let us know in the comments below.
And on that note, we'll see you next time. Jammer Nation!